Good evening, folks. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks. On Thursday, it is April the 14th. We are breaking Hit Parade Triple Play. It is one box, but 3 hits inside, a jersey, a baseball, and a photo. Randomed up our 5 remaining box numbers. 80 is what we got. Did random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized everybody. Gave y'all a chance to trade. No offers though. Had a bunch of offers in the earlier ones, but nothing on this box. Just gonna double check my chance one last time. Alright, we are not seeing anything. So here we go. Pop of your seal. Just gonna put the stuff back for you guys so we can do it one at a time and reach in and grab our photo. Bam, there's your SIG, folks. Who I think it is? Yes, it is. They're gonna be a relative of old Two Pops there, guys. They're going to be Mr. Paul Molitor, guys. Gonna be a Brewers hit, right? Do believe it was all seasons there. I can't really tell by the jersey, though. Well, it's 15 years in Milwaukee, guys, but that don't look like a fucking Milwaukee jersey to me. Am I wrong? Shh. There's gonna be a Blue Jays hit, guys, unfortunately. Yeah, guys, that is a Blue Jays hit. I'm seeing a photo almost identical to it. And it's a Blue Jays hit, guys. I'm very sorry to whoever has Milwaukee there, but I just want to show this real quick. See, guys, oh, it's same number style. It's got the same number style, everything. It says, Blue Jays there. And as you can see, guys, has the same number style jersey, everything. So, yep, so that is a Blue Jays. Alright, so going to be a Toronto hit on that one, guys. Very sorry to whoever had Milwaukee there, but going to be a Toronto hit on the photo. Alright, let me just get that in my dock real fast, folks. Toronto. Oh, going to be a Josh Anderson. Not a huge hit for you, Josh, but something at least. Alright, we're going to do our baseball. Said my aunt married his brother. Alright, here we go. Our baseball, folks. There's a SIG. Don't look very familiar to me. Going to be an Eloy Jimenez, folks. Eloy Jimenez. Going to be a White Sox hit on that one. Well, that one's going to Matt on the Jimenez, folks. All right, got to Jody and Matt. All right, let's see what we got in our jersey, guys. Bam. Well, she feels like a license, guys. That is your SIG there. Has the JSA certification. Bam. Well, gonna be an Anderson. Well, she's not a licensed jersey, guys. She's a nice custom, though, I'll tell you that. Going to be an Atlanta hit, folks. I really didn't think she was a licensed jersey, man. She's a really nice custom, I will say that. Going to be Ian Anderson, though, for the Braves. Yeah, I thought for sure that was going to be a licensed jersey, man. It doesn't have anything on it, though. But she's a really nice quality for a custom, guys. And it's probably one of the best customs I've seen in a long time. Quality-wise there, I don't know about the player, but... All right, that one's going to be an Atlanta hit. Well, that's going to Sneaky Pete's, folks. Well, guys, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not sure how good of a player Ian is there. I will say, as far as a custom jersey goes, it's a really nice jersey. Alright, so jersey goes to Pete. Ball goes to the Jody. And photo was Anderson. Well, guys, let's hope we get a couple better boxes going here. It's starting off slow, but same thing happened last time, guys, and then we ended up coming back and pulling the Otani and a few other nice ones, the Lewis Robert and such. That is going to wrap up that one. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.